Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created a setting table in database for this project. Now we need to create a model for this project which will bind this information with a web application. Stop this, go to the model, right click here and click on add and class. Name this as setting. This is the public class. Now we need to create public variables. We are creating a dummy. Here we have kind of string var. We have 7 variables, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we need to bind this information. The name of table and the name of model should need to be a same. So okay, so the count will be of type string. Okay, now we are done with the model. Now what we will do, we will play with the UI. So here you can see we have a setting page. Here is the portlet and we need a design like this. So this design is called 2-column form layout, which we will get from Metronics theme. Here you can see we have 2 columns, 1 and 2. Okay, let's inspect this and copy this information. From here we can get this, or we can simply copy this portlet body. Copy this and come here in the index. Here is the portlet body. We will copy this and replace this. We will remove the form after execution. Let's see how it's look alike. Up to that we will remove this form class. Okay, it is executing. Let's remove this form class. We even don't need this section. Okay, it's look like this. Now once refresh. Okay, so it is looking like this one. Okay, we can do one thing more. Copy this, okay, so here we need to add this hole. We need to remove some information. Refresh. Okay, so this is how it's look alike. Now change the information in the next video tutorial. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.